wanted to give you a really quick understanding of what is expected of you from your research paper. And so if you look over here under Content Browser, you'll see it says Research Paper and Referencing Samples. And if you click on Sample Research Paper, it says Rotated, but I tried to rotate it and it's just not rotating. So what I do is you just go ahead and download it. Once you've downloaded it, you can see it's coming up down here, although it's probably out of your screen. So you click on the download and you will get this. And then you can just click up here to rotate it around, or if you have another area, it may say view, and you just click on view, and then you want to go ahead and just rotate it. So here's a sample research paper for Health 120. And you can see that this paper was 8 pages long, and it was on high fructose corn syrup. Is it good or bad? And what she did is she introduced a source and then cited it, introduced another source and cited it. Okay, and so it continues to go on, introducing sources and citing it. And that's extremely important. You have to do in-text referencing for every source that you use. I don't care which referencing style you use. You could use MLA, which is primarily English. You can use APA. You can use Chicago, which is a lot of times for history type of work. You can use Tiburon. So you can use anthropology. So I don't really care which style you use as long as you use the style. And here again you can see that this person was used some information, and then they were also sourced. They do put their name and page number, last name and page number at the top of every page. As we continue to go down, page 4, page 5, page 6, page 7, and then we get down to their references. And so here you can see that what I did is I went through, and if they said that this particular source, they used them, then they had to actually identify them in text somewhere. And so I went through to make sure that this particular source was identified in text. And it goes on and on and on. And so I said you have to have a minimum of 3 pages of, 3 sources, but more is fine too. Right, more is fine too. And so you can see that this is exactly, this is a really good example of the type of research paper that I want you to write and how I want you to structure it. So if you have any other questions, please contact me. All right.